Does your company Insight offer pre-made checklists for different product categories?
We do have kind of pre-made checklists that we would start out with, but really the checklist should be tailored to your specific product. So it's just a starting point. So let's say that your product is a t-shirt, right? We might have some suggestion. Okay, here are all the points that we would cover for t-shirts. But then we would want to work with you as the client to determine what are the specifics of your t-shirt that we want to include in the checklist.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening, have a wonderful day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.